I had no intention in pre-ordering this device, but every once in a while, something just falls in your lap. Is that good enough? I thought that was gonna hit me in the head. I'm so glad it didn't. So you're not just getting an unboxing experience today. What you are getting is a initial reaction to a device that I know nothing about. And I know what you're thinking, Aaron, what do you mean you're a tech YouTuber? This is what you do, this is your jam. How do you know nothing about this device? And it's kind of sad because unless you are like a giant OnePlus fan, woohoo! Unless you are making an effort, unless you're signed up all over the place for all that information to get consumed by yourself, then you really don't hear about OnePlus. And I've kind of had my head in the sand, picking and choosing what content I'm sharing with you guys. So this device came to me and I was like, let me just go out of my way to not research, not review, not do anything, not form an opinion before I actually use it. And I want to share this initial reaction and kind of thoughts with you guys and let you know, like, this is the first time I'm seeing this device. Saw a couple images on the internet. I can't avoid those. They're in the newsfeed, right? But I didn't spend a lot of time camped on it, looking at it, trying to figure it out. So I want to go ahead and dive into it right away because I'm super excited because it's a new device and I've made a commitment to myself for this year. And this year, when I get a device, I'm going to use it. I'm going to put my main SIM in it. There's not going to be no, this is my side phone for a little bit while I try to figure it out. And I'm going to walk around with 2 phones in my pocket. No, 3 phones because I need one for my other job, you know, the one that actually pays me. Speaking of getting paid, if you want to help me get paid, hit that subscribe button and share my content with your friends and family on social media. So these are the OnePlus Buds Z2 Obsidian Black. Now I have the Z, right here, sorry, which really are a pretty cool case, pretty cool box. So I haven't used these in a while, but I do remember using them, that I liked them a lot, and they gave really good comfort, really good fit, and they sounded phenomenal, and everybody could hear me when I talked on the phone. So here is the 2nd generation. Wish it was a little bit funky like this one, but not gonna go ahead and complain because I think these were free. But here is OnePlus's beautiful box, Hasselblad, once again co-developed with Hasselblad, so we should expect stellar images. I'm gonna be honest, the last OnePlus matchup, the OnePlus 9 Pro, I still have that device. Super great device, phenomenal. I use that phone probably more than any other phone that was an Android phone last year. So I'm kind of thinking that's what's gonna happen again this year. They're so creamy, they're so fluid, they're so nice to hold in the hand. It's the OnePlus really delivers a great user experience. Okay, so here is the phone itself, and I'm gonna rip right into it because I'm so excited because like I told you, oh my gosh, this thing feels incredible. Like I'm rocking the what am I rocking? I'm rocking the S22 Ultra, also known as the S22 Note. This thing looks freaking nuts. It feels amazing. It's got a pre-installed screen protector on there, which I'll probably leave on there until I get maybe a white stone dome or something else. I immediately looked for an S Pen at the bottom because I really have gotten used to having a stylus. We have all of our OnePlus signature items. We have our slider. Looks like we've got our power button. We've got the volume rocker, and now we also have a ginormous, obnoxious, what kind of lens is that? What did OnePlus give us? Like I told you, I don't know much about this device. So you're seeing me explore it for the first time right now. So here's what I'm used to. Look, Samsung did such a great job with incorporating the cameras and just, they made it sexy, almost like a piece of art for me, right? I love this device. This reminds me of the S20 Ultra. I am a serious camera hump and I'm here to destroy you. And that's kind of what I feel this camera hump is. Like, it's very aggressive. So we're gonna go ahead and just set that to the side. We're going to finish our unboxing experience, and oh, look at this charger. 65 watts right out of the box. Apple, Samsung, are you paying the attention? 65 watts right out of the box. Here we go. They give us this super thick, amazing feeling cable. So if this is all I get in this box, that's done. We need nothing else at all. Unfortunately, OnePlus over the years has gotten a little bit cheap in what they're putting in their boxes. You know, they're stepping it up. They've caught their fans. They've got them loyal, all that other stuff. So now they're getting, we're losing items. We're no longer getting a case, right? We used to get a case. We used to get a screen protector. I think one device actually came with a hard and a soft case. So OnePlus used to really hook up the box. Now we've got some stickers, OnePlus Hyper Boost. I don't know what this means, so I'm really excited to find out. We've got our quick start guide, information safety, never settle, super amazing. And then over here we have our SIM ejector tool. All right, and then we have this, which looks like some information they want me to have here. So one thing that I normally do when I buy things, I go ahead and I put the cable and the charging brick back in the box. So when I sell it, or later it's in the box and I know where it is. This is a commodity. This is legit right here. This you put into your workflow. You enjoy it right now. You don't say, oh, maybe I'll use that later. I want my quick start guide. I want to take a quick little gander at it. I love quick start guides. And this one, what does it say? You know, quick start guides are a lot more basic than they used to be. This doesn't even have any instructions, just kind of points out what things are. So there's really not much to go over with these devices anymore. Before, every phone, every adventure was something new. Now it's all the same. You know, they're all practically the same shape, unless you get crazy and you're going for a foldable. My initial reaction to holding and feeling this wonderful device is it is heavy. It has some weight to it. I know that it is in my hand. I know that it looks gorgeous. It feels good. I'm terrified I'm going to drop it. I will most likely be looking for a Verizon store tomorrow to go ahead and case up this beauty. Unless, you know, you're a case manufacturer and you want to send me a case, reach out to me. Maybe we'll make a video. So here it is, the OnePlus 10 Pro, co-developed with Hasselblad. So it says it right down there. OnePlus 10 Pro, co-developed with Hasselblad. I find it interesting that they're saying the whole device. My interpretation, co-developed with Hasselblad, not the camera was co-developed with Hasselblad. So if you know more about this, please drop a comment. Let me know, was this completely co-created with Hasselblad, or is it just the camera portion of it? Either way, this is the device. This is the color. It looks amazing. This camera hump is ginormous. As far as anything else about the device, well, I haven't used it. I haven't had a chance to play with it, but I do want to tell you that initial reactions is this feels like a really good, strong, solid device. Let me go ahead and just spend a moment and get this thing set up.
5 minutes later.
So it actually set up a lot quicker than I thought, and I'm actually pretty impressed with that. So just gonna go and take a gander, have this thing set up, taking a look at some of the apps. Definitely look different from what I'm used to seeing. That is kind of super cute. Just set this up and don't have anything going, no accounts added to it, just breezed through it. Wow, that camera's snappy and zippy. Ooh, I like that click. What was that? What did I just do? I don't even know. This thing does a lot of crazy things. There's a lot going on with this thing, and I am just getting started. This is a new device. This is something for me to enjoy. This is something for me to play with. So I'm gonna enjoy and make some use of this camera. I'm hoping. I want to find out. You see what that thing is? Look at that. It looks so cool. I don't even know what that is. Oh, P2D50T. I don't know what it is, but I'm glad I got it. This phone looks amazing, guys. It feels great. OnePlus is so fast and so snappy. One of the things I talked about on Twitter a little bit is that my S22 Ultra sometimes feels a little laggy to me, and I turned the phone off, turn it back on. I didn't do a full system restart. I don't think that should be my solution to a device that is just about 60 days old, but I decided what the hell, I kept using it even though I like it. OnePlus already, just a short period of time of using it, has given me a crazy fast user experience that I'm really, really excited about. I mean, this device felt amazing, was super fast. And the S22 Ultra is a good device, not giving it any grief, no flack at all, but I can't wait to get into this. If you have any specific questions that you would like me to answer or research about the OnePlus 10 Pro, please go ahead and drop a comment below, let me know. Guys, thanks for watching the video today. If you like what you saw, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and give me the ultimate creator compliment, and share my content with your friends and family on social media. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.